Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the Canon 90D Diaries. Today I want to do something a little bit different. So I've heard a lot of people say that the Canon 90D would be a really good like daily driver vlogging camera. So I'm going to take you with me on like a standard day off work and just see how the 90D does. So on my days off I tend to start my mornings in the gym, hence the shorts even though it's January. But it's probably for the best that I don't take this big DSLR camera in there with me. That might look a little bit weird and I don't want to make anyone else feel uncomfortable. So while I go and lift things up and put them back down again in the name of exercise, you guys can watch some cool B-roll of this beach next to my gym. So let's go! Alright, that's the gym done. Got a little protein shake on the go here. This is a vanilla flavoured one and it tastes very, very eggy, so I probably won't have this again. The strawberry one of this brand's really nice though, but don't like drinking egg. Anyway, I really need a shower, so let's go do that. Alright, so I'm all clean, I'm feeling fresh. The next thing on my to-do list today is to get a haircut, because live the rock and roll life. Alright, so we're in Rhyl now, which is a bit of a sketchy place, and I probably wouldn't recommend ever coming here unless you really have to, and even then I'd probably try and talk my way out of it. But anyway, haircut. This is before and after. Now you might be thinking, Rob, it looks exactly the same, and that's because it is exactly the same. The barber's was closed, so I think this is a job for tomorrow now. When you're ready, ISO. Lovely. But it's not all bad news though. I need to be in town to get my car washed anyway, so let's go do that. I'm listening to the Catacombs of Halloween Horror Nights podcast because I'm absolutely obsessed with Halloween Horror Nights in Universal Studios in Florida. I feel like because this is a vlog, we should get to know each other a little better. So, 3 favourite movies. Number 1, Jurassic Park. I have a dinosaur tattoo on my shin because of that movie. Number 2, Jaws. I have a shark tattoo on my other leg because of that movie. Number 3, Grease. I don't have a Grease tattoo. Maybe I should get a Grease tattoo. So the car is looking fresh. The bad thing about having a white car is that look how shiny this looks, like that. That's like super white. The bad thing about having a white car is that you don't realise how dirty it is until you get it cleaned. Like this is an entirely different colour now, but it looks nice. I should clean it more really. But my car being nice and clean and all this talk about Florida earlier reminds me that I have this bumper sticker to go on my car from the last time I was in Walt Disney World in Orlando, and my car has been too dirty to put this on in the past, but now that it's clean, it's going on. Also, would you believe that this bumper sticker cost me $7? Oh, Disney prices. Nice. I've got a horrible feeling that that's going to take the paint off with it when it comes off. Like, that's very, very stuck on. I'm a little bit concerned about that actually. I've made my bed now, it seems. I absolutely love the idea of shooting really dramatic B-roll of like a dead average car.
Kid for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and they pretend.
Oh yeah, to sum up my thoughts on the Canon 90D for a vlogging camera, amazing. The 120 frames a second, the flip out screen, the autofocus is amazing. With the battery grip on it, I've still got a full battery now and I've been using it all day, which is amazing. The only downsides I could see really for someone else is it is quite big and heavy. There are smaller options and lighter options, but in this price range, they're missing a lot of the features that this camera has. So for me as a Canon shooter, this is the way to go. So I'm very, very happy with it. As a vlogging camera, you probably would be as well. So I recommend it as a vlogging camera. Bang on. I need my ends. This life is real. Can't play pretend. Came off the bench. I get it.
baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no.